So hi friends, today we are going to see how we can solve this Leetcode problem. So if you go through the question, we can see we have given two linked list, and linked list will contain an integer. So basically what we have to do is to add those number inside the linked list, and we need to return the result as a linked list only. So here you can see the first linked list, that is 2 4 3, and the second linked list is 5 6 4. So in actual real world, if you see the number, it will not be like this. So if you convert this into the actual real number, it will be something like 342. So you can see the digit are stored in a reverse order. So they are stored in reverse order. The actual number will be the reverse of this list. So and same is for result also. Here you can see number is 342 and this is the 465 and result was 807. So we have to return the list same as what we are in a reverse manner only. So for this, the approach that I am going to take is I'm going to iterate these two lists and keep on adding the number that I am getting. So if I am getting the number as a 2 and 5, then I will add it, and then I will add into the new linked list, and then I will move to the next one. So here you can see you are getting 4 plus 6, that is 10. So in that case I will have one carry variable also that will hold my carry thing. So whenever there is one carry, so we will hold in that variable, and next time whenever we are trying to add, we will add that carry. So let's start by coding. So first thing, I will declare one variable that I will be returning list node. Let's suppose I am giving the name as head. I am initializing it as a 0, and then I will be taking one temp node that I will be using to keep on adding into the main list. So let's suppose I have taken the name as, and I will assign this head. So now if you can see, L3 will consist of one list node that will have value 0. So head is the thing that we want to return. Return head dot next. So we are returning head dot next because our linked list will start from 0. So we don't want this 0 to be returned. We want that whatever thing that we are adding after 0, we want to return that one. So because of that I have waited. Then I will initialize one carry variable that will help me to store the carry variable. I will initialize it as a 0. So if nothing is there, I will add. So first thing, I will check if the first linked list is not null or the second list is not null. I have written or because I want, there might be a case that the size of the linked list might vary. So in that case I will add 0 in the linked list that is in smaller size. So I will let you, you will be able to understand in that part in a minute. So let's suppose the number 1. So first, whenever I am traversing iterating from this list, I will store that number into number 1. So first I will check it's not null, because we are going to find the value. If it's not null, then please provide me the value of that one. L1 dot val, you can see here it's val. So otherwise just return me 0. num2 equal to L2 not equal to null, L2 dot val, otherwise return me 0. So the reason behind returning 0 is, let's suppose we are given with number 2, 4, 3. So the actual number will be something like this, right? 3, 4, 2, and the second number is 5, 6. So 5 and 6, so the actual number for this one will also be 65. So whenever we are adding anything, we can simply append 0 on that one, right? But if you are adding at the last, it will change the actual number. So whenever we are adding something in the first of the number, it will not make any difference. So same thing what we are doing is we keep on iterating. So let's suppose we got this 5 number and here we got 2 number, so we will directly get it from here. In second case 4, and you will get 5 from this one, that will also work. In the third case, when we get this one, this 2, no, let's say this will be in the reverse order, right? So first time we got 2 and 5, second time we got 4 and 6, third time L1 have some value that it will get it from here, but L2 don't have any value. So in that case we have added 0 here, right? So that we can add it. Same thing we are doing it here. We are adding 0 in the initial one. So as it is reverse, so whenever we are writing anything after that, it will be in the first side, not the last one. So that we have already added now. So it will be sum. So basically sum will be num1 plus num2 plus, basically also we have to add the carry. So in each case we just see what is the carry and then we will add it. Now once we got the sum value, so basically what we have to do, whenever we get the sum, we need to check whether this number is greater than 10 or not. So that if it's greater than 10, we have to store some number in carry and store some number in the list only. So for that, what I will do, first I will store that number int digit, the digit that we want to store. So that will be equal to, so let's suppose we are getting 10. So what we will be storing, we will be storing 0 and 1 will be carry forward, right? So for that, what I required a remainder of 10 as a I required the remainder as a 0. So this what it will give me, it will give me 0 as a digit that I want to store here, and the carry will be sum divided by 10. So whenever we are getting anything, let's suppose we are getting 17 here, so 17 divided by 10, so it will give us remainder 7 that we will storing in the digit, and it will divide by 1, the quotient will be 1 that will be taken as a carry. So that's pretty much good. So that digit we want to store in the list. So for that, what I will do, I will L3 dot next equal to new dot list node digit. So I have created a one new node. So what I'm doing, I'm just pointing the next of this L3 to the new node that I have created now. Now I will be pointing L3 dot next, so that I can, in the next version, I can add the new node in the. So after that, so we are done with the creation of this third linked list. Now we have to move our pointer from list 1 and list 2 to the next one. So for that, first I will check if L1 not equal to null, as we have done in that case. What I will do, L1 equal to L1 dot next, same thing for this also. L2 not equal to null, then I will store L2. I will move the pointer to the next of L2. So I think we are good to go. So it will go through all the value, and also there is a chance that we keep on moving, and at the last what we get is, let's suppose we have number 7 here. In the last one we have 7 and here it's 6. So what we are getting is, we will have some carry after that also. So here in this case we can see the linked list that we will be returning will be of same length that we are getting in here, but that's not always the case. So if there is any carry still left, then we have to check that carry. Mostly it will be more than 0, so it will be either 1 or 2. So in that case we have to add that also. So L3 dot next equal to new of list node, and then the carry itself. Now L3 equal to L3 dot next, correct? Okay, that's pretty much good to go. Let's try to run this one. Okay, I'm expecting what it's expecting. Okay, it's not equal to null. Yeah, hope it will work. Yeah, it works. So let's try to submit this also. Yeah, good. So I think it's pretty much clear about this one. So regarding the head point also, I have discussed that we are starting from 0. That's why I've moved the pointer to next, so that it will start from the next pointer. Yeah, that's it from this video. Thank you very much.